Hi guys, Al from Offroad Portal here. We're doing the giveaway of the Yankum rope for the month of January. This is a Python 30 feet long red Kinetic rope from Yankum Ropes. It's an amazing product that we use all the time for every single recovery pretty much. Today we have about 50 participants on this giveaway. So good luck to everybody, and we'll see who's the lucky winner. And looks like the winner is Javier Burgos. Javier, if you're watching this, congratulations. We will be in contact with you to send you the rope. And I hope to see everybody and even more people in March to see who gets to win the next Kinetic rope. Thank you guys. Okay, bye.